Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside voice memos, record and trim the clip you want because ringtones should be concise, make the hook clear. Once done, tap the share icon and choose Save to Files, pick on my iPhone and a simple file name. Make sure the file is M4A or CAF so GarageBand accepts it. If your device warns about space, free a little, otherwise the next step will be fast and reliable and you'll avoid import failures. You now open GarageBand and create a new audio recorder or simple instrument track. Then go to Tracks View and tap the loop icon to import. Once the Files tab shows your saved clip, drag it into the timeline and position it at the start. Make small edits, trim to under 30 seconds, split to remove silence, and add fade for smooth start and end. Also check volume so it's loud enough without clipping. This prevents muffled or distorted ringtones on calls. You finish by tapping My Songs, long pressing your project, then Share and Ringtone. Give it a concise name and export. Once export completes, choose Use Sound as to make it your standard ringtone or assign it to a specific contact right away. If the ringtone doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and reopen GarageBand. Make sure GarageBand has access to files and that you exported under 30 seconds in M4A or CAF format.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.